Oil companies are going through difficult times. We could say that green and left political movements have blamed oil companies for all the problems. I have a more pragmatic approach. I think there's a direct correlation, a direct connection between carbon and economic growth, economic wealth. I think if you want to secure economic growth, you need to secure reliable and cheap carbon. And the most reliable and the cheapest sources of carbon is fossil. So Eni has taken recently strategic decisions that I believe to be unwise. First of all, they have invested in biofuel projects in Kenya who are turning into a real fiasco. Even the farmers in Kenya don't want it anymore. And then Eni is also stopping their gas exploration activities in Israel, or at least in that region. I understand that the region is complicated. The political situation is very complicated. But now I'm looking at it from a European point of view. And we need to secure cheap and reliable sources of carbon. So there's something else also. It's the relationship between Eni and the European Commission and the European Investment Bank. The European Investment Bank is a bit like the bank of the European Commission. So in May 2023, the European Commission has given 100 million euros for a project run by Eni to build an electric charging network. In July 2025, the European Investment Bank has given a 500 million euros loan to Eni for a biorefinery project in Livorno to produce biofuels. In September 2025, the European Investment Bank has invested 220 million euros in a renewable energy project run by Eni. And on the 1st of April 2026, yesterday, the European Investment Bank has given another 500 million euros loan to Eni for another biorefinery project in Italy. So in a little less than 3 years, the European Commission and the European Investment Bank have given approximately 1.3 billion euros to Eni, or invested that money in project run by Eni. Eni made 5 billion euros profit in 2024 and 5 billion euros profit in 2025. So find the error. Have a nice day.